Thank you very much for ordering for this desk clock camera. As you know before, my name is Osaro Destiny, CEO of Ville Security Systems. So now I'm going to be showing you how to use this desk clock camera. This is the desk clock camera. This is how it looks like. Comes with its battery. This is the charger. And basically that's all you need. It has a memory card inside of it here. Let me show you. This is the memory card in it. As you can see, this is the memory card. It comes with 32 gig memory. Now, before we go ahead, before I show you how to use it, let me give you a very firm warning. Please and please, this device is like every other electronic device. Ensure you charge it before usage. Ensure, like this one I'm using to do a sample, has been charged already. All you just need to do to charge it is simply insert the battery. This is the battery there already. Open, loosen this cable, plug it to either light or a computer system so it can charge. Please and please charge it first before usage. So you simply plug it here and it starts to charge. You can see it. It starts to charge. Ensure you charge this device. So let's go forward. Now the first thing after you have charged it, all you just need to do now is come to your phone. You understand? Go to your app store, search for V380 Pro, download it, then you open it. After you've opened, all you just need to do is to register. There are 2 to 3 ways to register. You can either click here or you can register with your Facebook. I'm going to register with my email. So you click on Africa, confirm, enter the email. I'm going to use mine. It's telling me account already exists. So all we need to do is to return. Let me log in with my account now. Then the password. Put in my password. So now I'm to select my regions. I'll select Africa. I've already selected. So it's going to tell us to add camera. But before we go to the add camera, you need to come to your personal your Wi-Fi and search for this device. It's going to be this MV. This MV that it is on now is on MV. Wait for it to connect. You see it has connected now on MV. Your device name is going to be MV. Then you come to the app again, the V380 Pro app. Then click on add cameras. Click on Wi-Fi smart camera. You next. Then you come to access point established. Access point established. You click next. Click next. It's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi. So I already have my Wi-Fi. Yeah. So I'll just put in the password. I start. So it's going to try and connect now. Connect success. You see it already. So I'm just going to choose where I'm going to use it for. For me, I'm in my office. So I'll click on office. Then I finish. So wait. So you see the video. We've connected it, and now all we just need to do is to watch the video. Let me connect. You can see it. You can see me very well. This is the camera. See it in a very crystal clear view of my office. Let me show the camera, guys. So I think Now that we've connected it, if you want to do anything on the device, because it's always recorded down, if you want to download, you can set it to continuous recording or just invert recording. It has audio, it has SD. You can see it. You can enlarge to look what is going on. And that is it. So we come to the end of this video for this desk clock. Thank you for buying.